Hi everyone, at Lloyd Select Newcastle are proud to present this Tesla Model 3 Standard Plus 4-door automatic in black. Currently sitting at just over 45,100 miles, it's fully electric with 252 brake horsepower and a range of up to 254 miles on a standard charge. Range of features include the 18-inch aerodynamic wheels. We also have LED headlights, electric front seats and a panoramic glass roof. Inside we've got the black heated leather seats, in the rear we have Isofix and rear cup holders. The majority of the Model 3's controls are controlled on the large touchscreen display with built-in navigation, phone connection and a reversing camera with front and rear parking sensors. All our vehicles are meticulously checked by our trained technicians, and this Tesla comes with a 12-month warranty on purchase. If you are interested, please visit our website or contact us on 0191 269 0002.